Hi, today I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off Windows Defender in Windows 10. So if you want to do it, you need to click right mouse button icon with a start, and after that you need to go to run. Of course, you can use shortcut from your keyboard, Windows R if you want. Here on this field you need to type Ctrl and click OK button. After that, control panel will be successfully loaded here. We need to go to System and Security, and then we need to open Windows Defender Firewall settings. Now from the left panel we need to click this one option, Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. So I click here, and here you need to select this one option, Turn off Windows Defender Firewall not recommended. On private network settings and on public network settings we need to select this one option, Turn off Windows Defender Firewall not recommended. Here we need to click OK, and after that Windows Defender will be successfully turned off. So it's all for today. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to check links in description.